NamibRand Nature Reserve, който се оказа доста голям. В началото някакъв германски фермер бил купил ферма, после убедил всички останали фермери да се обединят и да направят резерват. That was and beyond.
And beyond, yeah.
Property.
Yeah.
Very exclusive.
You need labeled clothes when you go there.
Yep. Well, they wouldn't turn you away if you're a paying customer.
No, they won't turn you away, but you'll have to shake your pocket.
Много красиво. Отиваме към Family Hideout, където ще отседнем на къмпинг. В момента минаваме през частна ферма обаче.
Дето, колко часа съм в плана?
Снимам видео, тати.
Вярвам, ще се отворя.
Орикс? Куду или Орикс?
And we have, they're very rare to find.
Have the birdshells been brought in, or is it now just
No,
natural?
birdshells have been all the habitat of.
Really?
Yeah, they lived here.
And the giraffe?
The giraffe, they were brought in.
Oh,
They were brought
so
in.
good. So the bird-shell zebra, because I was not expecting bird-shell zebra.
Oh yeah, exactly.
I know that
We have, which is it's the same thing, you know. If I think about it here quite a lot, because we have more bird-shell zebras than Hartmann
Hartmann.
zebras.
and it's supposed to be only Hartmann zebra.
The other, yes, exactly. The other way
Because on
around.
the farm just next, the last farm there, there are a lot of bird-shell zebra.
A lot.
Yeah.
Those actually they moved early this year because he got actually very good rain. I would say
Yeah.
good because he got
Yeah,
100
because-
millimeters. I had 9 so far this
9
year.
millimeters.
Yes, I had 7 millimeters in December and 2 millimeters in March. So putting that together, so 9 millimeters. Wolverdans they had 20 millimeters, and then just around the mountain on the other side they had 35. And that was just in one day. They had 25, and the clouds were just moving towards the south, and they dropped 2 millimeters, and then 25 on the other side. And he was very, very lucky because with his mountain close to him, he got 100 millimeters, and
Nice.
immediately in February, all the camps broke, and they
everything
just
moved down.
jumping the fences, trying to go on the other side, and a week later he's still pushing them because he's still farming with cattle.
Yes, I saw his.
And then he's chasing
he-
back them again and back on this side.
Okay, NamibRand Nature Reserve. Зебри на Бурчо.
Зебри на Булчо.
Да.
Има всички зебри са еднакви. Няма Булчо, Мулчо, а зебри.